What's going on, guys? It's Brandon here, back with another video. And in today's video, guys, we're going to be going over the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the black static reflective colorway. A little story time, guys, of how I actually got these sneakers. So everybody knows that these came out on June 5th at around 6 a.m. Eastern time, and there was a shock drop. I stayed up the previous nights before that up till 3 a.m., even 5 a.m., just waiting for them to drop. They never dropped. And actually on June 5th, lo and behold, they actually did drop after me staying up until 3 a.m. And I was like, you know what? They're not gonna drop at 6 a.m. Like, why would they drop at 6 a.m.? They usually drop at 3 a.m. But you know what? I'm gonna put an alarm anyway so that I could wake up just in case they drop. And lo and behold, they fucking dropped and I'm not awake because my alarm, I don't hear that shit. Like, you know when you like have to go to school and you like just don't wake up because your alarm, that's exactly what happened to me. So I got fucked. I was super mad that day. I wanted to throw my phone across my room from how pissed I was, because I thought that was the only chance I was gonna be able to have to get them. Super blessed. Shout out my boy Fernie. He hit me up and he let me know that they were gonna be dropping in some other places. And I was able to get the 350s off Kith. And not only did I get the 350s, I got two of them. The two time! So I was just super blessed. The way I got them, by the way, I went on Kith and I just kind of spammed add to cart, and I was able to get through and buy them. So yeah, I got super lucky on these guys. A lot of hours of sleep were lost, but in the end it was worth it. These are definitely worth the loss of sleep. But without further ado, guys, let's get right into the unboxing. So first, you got the regular 350 box right here. You got the sizing right here, 11. I got two 11s. I was really lucky, guys. I still can't believe I got them. And here are the shoes right here, the 350 V2 static in the black colorway, and they are reflective. So right here, guys, these are the shoes. So right off the bat, you see that the triple black is there. First triple black V2 in a while, in a long time. We have not seen a triple black V2 in probably like 2 or 3 years now. But yeah, like these are super fresh out the box. Like, I actually really like them. So here on the upper, you got the full reflective upper, the 3M prime knit right here. Then you also have this translucent stripe, which is also black. I don't know if I'm a fan of the like the stripes that they've been putting on recently. I think I am. I think they look all right. Here on the back, you got the heel tab, and you got the, like, for some reason, like these, it feels like the heel is really fat and thick, like really thick. On the bottom, you got the 350 V2 sole right here with the boost on the bottom, full boost. Here on the toe, you got the prime knit. So it's really like any other V2, guys. Like, honestly, it's exactly like the normal static blacks. It's just these are reflective. You got on the laces, you got that 3M on the laces. I don't know if you can see that. It'll focus. I'd say that the sizing, I've heard that people go true to size on these. The newer Yeezys with the translucent stripe, you could go true to size, but I've also heard that they fit pretty tight still, and that you could go half a size up. For my V2 blacks, like the normal ones that I got, those I went half up. So hopefully when they come in, I still haven't gotten the shipping, but hopefully when they come in, they fit me good. So right now, guys, I'm just gonna give you another 360 of the shoes. So yeah, guys, the main thing about these is just the reflective upper. It's all reflective, so when you take a picture with the flash, You're gonna see these shits bright as hell. Like, I took a picture yesterday when I got them, and they were bright. Like, you will tell that these are reflective. I don't know about paying resale for these. The resale right now is going for like over 1,000. I would personally really suggest against going to pay resale for these, because like there's not that much of a difference to pay $1,400 for a pair of shoes just because they have like 3M. Like, I don't understand like why people just like, I think people just want to get them just to flex that they have these, because these are a lot more limited. I think there was only like 10,000 pairs or something like that, like made, compared to the regular V2 black. It was like I don't even know. I don't think it was 200,000. A lot of people are saying 200,000, but it was definitely not 200,000 because it was pretty hard to get. But yeah, no, I would not pay resale for these just because of 3M. Like, that, I feel like that's stupid as fuck. Like why would you do that? Like, I don't know. If you want to flex, go ahead. But me personally, I'm not doing that. I'm definitely not doing that. So yeah, guys, overall the shoe is very, very clean. I would say I give it like an 8 out of 10 or 9 out of 10, just because of like, man, like I could wear this with anything and it'll be good. Like, I love the materials on all the 350s. Like, I feel like they're really good shoes, like, and they're super comfortable. Like, they're one of the most comfortable shoes I have, if not the most comfortable. So I would recommend going half a size up just in case of, because, you know, the previous V2s, you go half a size up. So I definitely recommend going half a size up. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it for the video today. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please be sure to leave a like down below and subscribe if you're new. So yeah, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.